Lecture 2, Energy Balance. Before we learn about energy balance, let's first understand what a calorie is. A calorie is a unit of energy. Our brains, our muscles, every cell in our body require calorie to function in its optimal state. The calorie is defined as the amount of heat needed to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of water from 0 to 1 degree Celsius. This is the scientific definition of calorie. So 1 gram of carbohydrates is 4 calories. 1 gram of protein is also 4 calories. 1 gram of fat is 9 calories. And 1 gram of alcohol is 7 calories. This is the calorie in. Do note only the macronutrients, that is carbohydrates, proteins and fats, have calories, whereas micronutrients like vitamins and minerals have 0 calories in them. What about calories in alcohol or perhaps calories in junk or fast food? Sure, they have calories as they're made up of carbohydrates, proteins and fats, but those calories can be termed as empty calories. Empty means that calories do not have any nutrients in them. The carbohydrates in junk and fast food are refined and processed, proteins are denatured, fats are unhealthy like trans fats, there are no vitamins and minerals, plus 0 fiber and no probiotics. Junk and fast food mostly are loaded with refined carbs, added sugars, which create havoc inside a body and causes ill health. That's why it is very important that most of your calories should come from unprocessed foods like complex carbohydrates, high quality proteins from grass-fed meats, or perhaps vegetarian sources like lentils or beans, and healthy fat sources like coconut oil or ghee. As I mentioned earlier, I have dedicated module 2 to help you figure out in detail about macronutrients. For now, let's move on. When we talk about energy balance, we have figured out a calorie in. What about calorie out? Now, calorie out is the calories you burn. That's where we need to define terms like BMR, TDEE, TEA, TEF, which we shall definitely do in the next lecture. For now, just remember this. When the calories that you eat is equal to the calories you burn, you maintain your weight. When you eat more calories than you can burn, you gain weight. The body stores the extra calories as fat, by the way. And when you eat fewer calories than you burn, you lose weight. There is no arguing around this law, and this is the absolute fundamental when it comes to weight loss or gaining muscle. Please remember this, and I will see you in the next lecture.